In this video, I will guide you on how to change Twitch username and URL on your phone. First of all, you want to open the Twitch app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're here, you will find the edit profile option at the top. Go ahead and select that. Now scroll down until you find username, then tap on it. It will now say change your username. Remember that username updates can be performed once every 60 days. Now tap on the change username option. Go ahead and edit your username from here. Once you have entered your new username, you will see that your channel URL has also been changed. You can find your new channel URL over here. Once you're happy, tap on the save option at the top right corner, and then your new Twitch username and URL will be saved. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.